Hey, legends, your body might be secretly thriving right now and you don't even notice. Stick around because number 1 will surprise you the most. Number 10, the hidden defense system. Colds, flus, viruses, flying around everywhere. Your coworkers are dropping like flies, but you barely notice them. While everyone else is sneezing or bedridden, you're walking around like nothing happened. That's your immune system quietly flexing like a boss. Here's what's happening. Your white blood cells are like tiny ninjas, detecting threats and neutralizing them before you realize there's a problem. Strong immunity means your gut microbiome is balanced, stress levels are manageable, and your body gets proper nutrients and sleep. Think about it. How many times this year have you been properly sick? If it's less than twice, your body is crushing it. You're basically a real-life superhero, silently defeating germs while everyone else is down. Number 9, the luxury feature? Be honest. When did you last cut your nails? A week ago? They're already back? Hair growing faster than expected? That's your body manufacturing new cells at lightning speed. Hair and nails are your body's report card. Healthy growth means nutrient-rich blood, strong cell regeneration, metabolism working perfectly. Your hair grows about half an inch monthly when healthy. Nails about 3 millimeters, but when thriving, even faster. Strong nails that don't break. Shiny hair that doesn't fall out excessively. These aren't just cosmetic. They're proof your body has enough resources for luxury features. Your body is literally a factory, producing premium materials daily. Number 8, the 10-minute morning test. Picture this. Alarm rings, you open your eyes, and instead of feeling dead, you actually feel awake. No dragging, no snooze marathon, no coffee IV required. That's your circadian rhythm in perfect action. Your sleep-wake cycle is synced, cortisol peaks at the right time, melatonin drops naturally, and your brain starts working before 10 a.m. Here's the science. Proper sleep cycles mean your body completed all repair phases. Deep sleep triggered growth hormones. REM sleep organized memories. And light sleep prepared you for waking. Most people fight their biology every morning, but you're working with it. Your bed is basically a personal spa, working overnight to restore you. Number 7, defeating the 3 p.m. wall. Ever notice how some people collapse after lunch or hit that mid-afternoon wall while you just keep going? No sugar crash, no groggy slump, no desperate coffee hunt. That's your blood sugar staying stable, metabolism running smoothly, insulin response doing its job perfectly. Here's what's happening. When you eat, your body releases just enough insulin, processes nutrients efficiently, and maintains steady glucose levels. No wild spikes and crashes. Balanced insulin means sustained energy, improved focus, better mood, and less fatigue throughout the day. This stability also protects against diabetes risk and metabolic disorders. You're basically a human battery, powering through without needing a plug. Number 6, the internal mirror sign. You wake up, splash water on your face, maybe add moisturizer, and boom, your skin just glows. No acne explosions, no oil slicks, no random breakouts. Just smooth, manageable skin. That glow isn't makeup or filters. It's your body showing off balanced hormones, proper hydration, and low stress levels. Clear skin reflects internal health, liver function, nutrient balance, and inflammation control. Your skin is literally your largest organ, and when it's clear, it means toxins are being processed properly, circulation is strong, and cellular repair is happening efficiently. Bad skin often signals hormonal chaos, poor nutrition, or high stress. You're basically walking Instagram. No filter needed. Number 5, your mind stays calm under pressure, and it's the most underrated sign. Number 5, high chaos, low heart rate. Your heart isn't racing, brain isn't constantly overloaded, even when life throws chaos at you. That's your nervous system regulating stress like an absolute pro. While others panic, overthink, or feel overwhelmed, you stay centered. Here's the science. Your parasympathetic nervous system activates properly, cortisol levels stay balanced, and your fight or flight response only triggers when actually needed. This mental stability isn't just psychological, it's physiological. A calm mind means better digestion, stronger immunity, improved sleep, and balanced hormones. When your nervous system works well, everything else follows. Chronic stress destroys health, but you've mastered the art of staying balanced. Balance might be the ultimate health flex, and you're nailing it. Number 4, the staircase metric. You climb stairs, run for the bus, chase your dog, play with kids, and feel totally fine. No spaghetti legs, no gasping for air. no heart pounding like crazy. That's cardiovascular fitness showing up in everyday life. Good stamina means your heart pumps efficiently, lungs exchange oxygen effectively, and muscles use energy smartly. Your VO2 max, the amount of oxygen your body can use now, is probably higher than average. This endurance isn't just for athletes, it's for life. Carrying groceries, walking long distances, taking stairs instead of elevators. You do it all without thinking twice. Most people avoid physical activity because it feels hard, but for you, it feels normal. You're basically a low-key athlete, and everyday life is your training ground. Number 3, the 24-hour quiet window. Real talk time. You poop once a day, maybe twice, completely drama-free. No cramps, no skipping days, no bathroom battles, no emergency situations. Sounds basic, but gut health equals brain health equals total body balance. Here's why this matters. Your microbiome. Those trillions of bacteria in your gut are perfectly balanced. They're producing vitamins, regulating immunity, even affecting your mood through the gut-brain connection. About 70% of your immune system lives in your gut, and 90% of serotonin is produced there. When digestion works smoothly, nutrients absorb properly, waste eliminates efficiently, and inflammation stays low. Bad digestion creates a cascade of problems, but good digestion? It's the foundation of everything else. Your internal plumbing is winning, and trust me, everyone notices when it's not. Number 2, zero friction movement. Your knees, elbows, back, shoulders. They all move freely. No random aches when you wake up. No clicking sounds. No stiffness after sitting. You get up from chairs easily, reach for things overhead, bend down without hesitation. Flexible joints mean proper hydration, low inflammation, strong cartilage, and good circulation. Your synovial fluid, the lubricant in your joints, is doing its job perfectly. This mobility isn't just comfort, it's freedom. Most people start losing flexibility in their 30s, but you're maintaining it naturally. You're basically a smooth machine, moving through life without friction. Number 1, the ultimate reset button. You fall asleep within 15 minutes, stay asleep all night, and wake up feeling genuinely refreshed. No tossing and turning. No 3 a.m. anxiety sessions. No dragging yourself like a zombie. But here's the kicker. Quality sleep isn't just rest. It's when your body does its most important work. Deep sleep triggers growth hormone release, repairs muscles and tissues, consolidates memories, and literally detoxifies your brain. This is why all the other 9 signs are possible, because every night, your body hits the ultimate reset button. Notice how all these connect? Strong immunity, fast growth, stable energy, clear skin, calm mind, good stamina, smooth digestion, flexible joints. They all depend on this foundation. Your body literally rebuilds itself nightly, and you wake up upgraded. If most of these signs describe you, congratulations. Your body is quietly thriving. Subscribe for more health secrets. Hit the bell and let me know in the comments. How many of these signs do you have? See you next time.